Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in our today's e-lecture for class BA part 2nd. This is the third video regarding the story The Eggs written by R.K. Narayanan. As previous we have discussed this story in Hindi also, and this is third video containing the summary of the story in English. Okay, so just before we start this story, to explain uh, the whole summary of the story, here we need to discuss some general questions also. Okay, so dear student, in your examination you are also asked some questions like comment on the significance of the title of the story. इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जाएंगे इस स्टोरी में से, जैसे comment on the significance of the title of the story. Next, what comment on the human situation does the story of Velan bring home? Means, what comment on the human situations does the story of Velan bring home? कि कैसी सिचुएशंस वो बन जाती है कि वेलान 18 साल का वहां जाता है और बिल्कुल ओल्ड एज में उसे वापस अपने घर आना पड़ता है। क्या सिचुएशंस ऐसे बने, इस तरीके से भी पूछा जा सकता है। तो भी आपको पूरी स्टोरी इसमें इन ब्रीफ पॉइंट टू द पॉइंट आपको डिस्कस करनी होगी इन रिलेवेंस विद योर क्वेश्चंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इस तरह से पूछा जा सकता है, व्हाट चेंज डज द passage of time bring in the fortunes of वेलान द गार्डनर? कि वेलान के लाइफ में, वेलान के फॉर्चून में किस तरीके से समय के साथ में चेंजेस आते गए। तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। एंड जब भी हम इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर को स्टार्ट करेंगे तो सबसे पहले हम एज ए इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं। जैसे वेलान इज अ सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर ऑफ द स्टोरी, एंड सबसे पहला पॉइंट हम लिखेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन। द स्टोरी, व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ योर स्टोरी? द एग्स। ओके, story The Eggs is about a young man's life. His name was Velan, and he was as poor as one could be. इतना गरीब था जितना कि कोई हो सकता है। He left his parents on being insulting by slapped, and once his father slapped him. So he left his village Kopal and came to the town Malgudi. At the town, he worked with an old gardener beside a new three-storied house, a palace like mansion. Okay, so Velan had come here when he has 18, when he was 18, and he lived there till his old age. And we can justify the title of the story according to the development of the story as follows. So, all these we can write in our first heading as introduction, and next we justify the title, the significance of the title according to the development of the story, and this is the development of our story according these following points. And the first is the prediction of an astrologer. So first of all, the first incident in Velan's life is the prediction an astrologer in his own village Kopal when he was at the age of 18. Okay, so at the beginning of the story, we see that in his village, an astrologer had predicted that Velan would live in a three-storied house surrounded with a vast garden, and people had laughed at him because Velan's family was the poorest and most miserable family in the village. So this is the first point which came into the life of Velan as the prediction of an astrologer. Okay, and this is the second. Valance leaving his village Kopal and went to Malgudi. After insulting by his father, he left his village and went to the Malgudi, the town. Okay, so this is the second point and second incident happening in Velan's life. Velan left his parents one day. It so happened. Why it is so happened? It is so happened that Velan, who was 18, got late in bringing his father his midday meal, and his father got angry. And in the presence of others, means other people in the field, he slapped on his face. And Velan became speechless. He felt very much insulted when he was slapped by his father. So he put down the basket and looked at his father. And that was the moment when Velan left his village Kopal and his parents also. Then he did not know where he was to go, but he went on moving. He went on moving aimlessly. So he walked on and on till he came to the town. Means he walked on and on till he came to the town. Which town? The town Malgudi. And he begged wherever he could, starved for 2 days. And at last he arrived in Malgudi and he went to many places to find a job and a place to live in. And at the end, an old man took him on to assist him in laying out a garden. So this is the second incident happening in life of Velan. And next is the third point. Velan's life as a gardener at Malgudi. He reached Malgudi after leaving his village and there he appointed as a assistant of head gardener by an old man of the palace of the uh, mansion. And next is Velan's life as a gardener. After leaving his parents and village, Velan reached to Malgudi, and there an old man gave him work as a gardener. A big house was being built there. On three sides of the house there was many acres of land, and there was to be a garden in this vast open land with different kinds of trees and plants. So in the beginning, Velan's main task was to destroy all the vegetation there and make the land clean. And gradually, the unwanted plants and trees disappeared, and many kinds of trees were planted there. Many kinds of lower plants were planted there. The house was also being built, and the walls were also coming up, and the old man who was taking care of the garden fell ill and soon died. And now Velan was the chief gardener of the mansion. Soon the house was completed. The garden was also in full bloom, and Velan presented a good sized garden to his master and his family when they came to occupy the house. So it was beautiful three-story house with spacious halls and marble floors. Whelan thought that such mansions existed only in Swargaloka. So he had planted a margosa plant there, means a neem tree there. He was growing slowly. Sorry, it was growing slowly, and Velan loved it very much. He wished it to grow bigger and bigger in size. He went to the margosa plant and gripped its stem with his fingers and said, what said? He said that, is this all, you scaggy one? What if you wave your head so high above mine? I can put my fingers around you and shake you up like this. Grow up, little one, grow up. Grow fit, have a trunk which two pairs of arms can't hug, and go up and spread. Be fit to stand beside this place, otherwise, I will pull you out. So, here, Valan is seen behave like a human being with Margosa tree. He behaves like human being with the Margosa tree. And next is the fourth incident, the fourth point of the development of our story as Velan in his old age and bondage with the Margosa tree. How Velan came into his old age and the how he shows his attachment in this story with the Margosa tree. So this is the fourth point. With the passage of time, the brightness of the house lessened. It was not so well looked after. The master of the house and his wife had become old, and Velan himself was much changed. He has lost his parents, his wife, and 8 children out of 14, and he had managed to reclaim his ancestral property, which was now looked after by his sons and sons in laws. He went to his village for Pongal, New Year's, and Deepavali, and he brought with him one or the other his grandchildren. Velan was perfectly contented and happy, and he demanded nothing more of life. So, this is the happy life of Velan, which he is enjoyed as a gardener in the garden of a mansion. And this is the fifth and last point of the story as the death of Velan's master and the house turned in ghost house gradually. So at last the master of the house fell ill and died. Velan became worried. He knew the sons were not so good as his master. His master's sons stayed for a year more in their big house. They quarreled among themselves and went away to live in the another house. And the year later, another family came to live in the house as a tenant, and they had not much regarded for the garden. They did not care for the flowers and plucked unripe fruits. Velen was unhappy. However, the tenants left. The house was locked up for a few years. And on one of the sons occasionally come, and there then even he stopped coming. They left the keys with Pelan. So here the keys of the house was also with Velan. Sometimes a new tenant would come to see a house, but he went away saying that the house was in ruins. Some tenants did come and live there for short periods. Then then the house acquired the reputation of being haunted. Velan was very nearly the master of the house, and now the keys were with him. Velan lived in his hut. It became leaky. So he shifted his residence to the front veranda of the house, and once a year he opened the house and had floor swept and scrubbed, and years passed without any change. Since the big building became very old, so tenants also feared living there and called the house as a ghost house. And Velan became the only habitant of this three-storied mansion, and thus the forecasting by the astrologer proved true. When Velan lived in this three-story storied mansion alone, so that the forecasting of the astrologer may be proved true here. But one afternoon, Velan hears the sound of axes falling and cutting a tree, and he went out and saw that his beloved and darling Margosa tree was being cut, and this was much shocking for him. The owner's son had now sold the garden as well as the big building to a builder of the construction company. And now there was no need of Velan and his gardening. So Velan was now to leave the house within a fortnight. And that sound of cutting his margosa tree was a great shock for him. And Velan earnestly requests them to stop cutting till he goes away, leaving the hut forever. Means he says to the uh, tree cutters like these words: "Don't cut yet. I am still within hearing. Please wait till gone farther." Means Velan earnestly requests to the people who uh, who are cutting the trees. So he earnestly requests them to stop cutting till he goes away, leaving the hut forever. And to hear means such a distance from where he may not able to hear the sound of the cutting of Margosa tree. So uh, he request is heard by the laborers. So the title, The X, is a symbol of emotional tragedy that came upon Velan. The owner of the mansion was a great lover of Mother Nature, so he had a beautiful garden, and he deputed Velan as a gardener there. But on the other hand, the builder is shown here as a greedy man. He wanted to construct a colony on a place of garden. So Velan was lover of plants, trees and flowers, and therefore we should think to plant more and more trees, and not a single tree should ever be cut down until it is grown. So we can say the title of the story is absolutely appropriate. Okay. Then these are the some important lines. As Velan addressed to the Margosa tree like human beings, and he says as thus: "Grow up, little one, grow up, grow fat, have a trunk which two pairs of arms can't hug, and go up and spread, but fit to stand beside this palace, otherwise I will pull you out." Means in these lines we can see that Velan behaves here with the Margosa tree like a living human being, like a living being. So these are the important line, and these are the last words uttered by Velan, that "Don't cut yet, I'm still within hearing. Please wait till I'm gone farther." Then हम कह सकते हैं कि इस तरह से स्टोरी का टाइटल बिल्कुल एप्ट है, द एक्स। किस तरह एक इमोशनली आदमी द्वारा नेचर अर्थ को डिस्ट्रॉय किया जा रहा है और इमोशनली वेलान भी डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है। तो इस तरह से ये स्टोरी का टाइटल का सिग्निफिकेंट हम समझ सकते हैं। सो आई होप दिस video is very much helpful to in your studies also. So be with me in our next and upcoming videos. Till then, have a nice day and enjoy your studies.